Hello, my name is Matt Baker at ProSymmetry, and today we're going to be going through how to create a state within Tempus resource. So to start things off, I want to give a little brief background on what state fields are within Tempus. So the state field will be the backbone structure of a workflow. Think of a state as the particular stage that is associated to the project, where you'll be able to define which users will essentially have access to those states. So your state fields will be pretty flexible in how you define them in the process that you're looking to work with. So that can be anywhere from an intake workflow to approval workflow or anything that really comes to mind. Additionally, state fields will be reusable within the system. So you will be able to have similar workflows that utilize the same state field within the system. So to start things out, to create a state field, we'll first have to navigate to the workflow management area. And to do so, we can go ahead and select on admin settings and then on workflow management. And then from here, we can go ahead in the top right-hand corner and select on states, which will bring you to this state area, which will show all your existing states, as well as give you an area where you can create those. So to create a state field, we'll want to make sure that we're on this project option right here. And we can go over here to the left and provide a name of that given state field. So in this case, I'm thinking of creating an approval type workflow. So I can just name this approval. And then from here, we can then determine the different states or stages that we're looking to have within there. So down below, we can go ahead and start providing those names. And let's say we want to have an initiation state. So when the project first comes in, what information do we need within there? And then maybe we need to have a review, and then maybe approve and rejected. So once we have the different states defined, the last step will be just to determine which users will have access to those states. So by default, the first state will be provided to all resources within the system, but then you'll be able to determine based off of your given global roles, security groups, and as well as individual resources who will have access to view that information. So in this case, let's say I want my administrators, project managers, and resource managers to have access to the review state. And then we want to limit it a little bit more for approve and reject. So only our administrators as well as project managers have access to those. Once we have all that information filled out, we can go ahead and hit create, and then your state field will be created within the system. If you have any questions, please visit prosymmetry.com. Have a great day.